What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we'll be going over hash tables in Python. A hash table is a data structure that is used to store key value pairs. It does this by using a hash function, which is a function that is used to generate hash values from a set of data. And this hash value is normally a fixed integer. So because we're using a fixed integer to represent a key value pair, the size of the data is irrelevant. This allows accessing data to be much faster. Since we're not concerned with the size of the data we're accessing, we just have a fixed integer in place of that value. And this is exactly how dictionaries work in Python. So what a dictionary does is it has a key. It turns this key into a hashed value, which is a fixed integer. And when we want the key, Python would just look for the hash instead of the actual key. And this is why dictionaries are efficient. They run a big O of 1, which is the fastest algorithm you can have. And it's also why we prefer dictionaries over lists and other inbuilt data structures. This is similar to retrieving an item in a list based on its index. So imagine we had a large list of large numbers. It doesn't matter where the number in the list is if we have the index. So we have the index, we can just get the number immediately, and that's that. Now let's look at an example of how Python would hash a key value pair. So imagine we have three keys. One is a name, one is the age, and one is the grade. Now, say the name was John Doe, the age was 18, and the grade was 12. So we have our keys, we have our values. Now for each key that we have, we're going to associate that key with a unique value. And we're going to do this by using a hash function. Now for this example, our function is just going to take the key and it's just going to randomly generate a 10-digit number, okay? And it's really a poor representation of what an actual hash function does, but just to get the concept, that's what we're going to do. So we're just going to assign the key to a random 10-digit fixed integer. And now whenever we want the key, we're not going to look for the key name or the key age. We're going to look for the unique number associated with that. And yeah, that's really it to hash tables. If you enjoyed the video, if you learned something, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take it easy.